Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine at home. Be safe, okay? So today we will start with a chapter first, that is understanding geography. This chapter is of geography, globe and maps, okay? So have you wondered why tourists carry maps with them? Have you wondered, means have you think about this thing, why the tourists the persons, they travel from one place to another, why they carry maps with them? Because maps help them navigate new places they visit, okay? They are navigating, okay? Navigate means to plan a new place. So they visit the place they visit, they navigate that place. In many cities you will find a detailed map of an area provided in train and metro stations to help tourists locate their destinations and plan their travel routes. You have seen in trains or in metro stations, the map is given. In that map details are there, okay? Detail means of every city, every state, where one state is there, where something is there. So in that map everything is given, so the tourists, they can locate their destination. Destination means the place where you want to reach, okay? So they can locate there, they can find their destination there, and they can plan their travel routes, how they want to travel, so in where they want to go. Maps and globes are objects that help us locate place on earth, okay? Through this maps and globes, globe and map, or maps and globes, we can find any place on earth, okay? If studied carefully, maps can help us locate which direction to proceed in order to reach our destination. If we study these maps carefully, they also tell us the direction, okay? For example, if you have to go from Mumbai to Goa, okay, they will tell you the direction also, that you have to move in north, in south, in east, in which direction you have to move, they will tell you the direction also. Clear? Then other items like compass help us identify the right direction. Other items are also there, compass is there, okay? So with that compass we can identify our right direction, that whether we are going in right direction or not, okay? That compass will help us to find our right direction. Let us find out more about globes and maps and how they can help us. Maps and globes. Our earth and various places on it can be pictorially represented in the form of a globe, map, sketch and a plan, okay? Now this earth and various places on earth, it can be picturized. We can see their picture in the form of globe. On a globe also we are having pictures, map, sketch is made and a plan, okay? On these things we can see the pictures, okay? Then globe. When we draw the whole earth on a sphere, sphere is a round solid figure. You have seen globe na, it is round, okay? So a globe, it is a round solid figure, a sphere, it is called globe. It is a man-made model of the earth. The globe, it is made by humans, okay? Any human has made the globe, so it is a man-made model of the earth in three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means it is having length also, breadth also and depth also. It is very realistic representation of the earth. It looks very real, okay? The shape we are having of India, it is in the same shape, okay? So it looks very real. Map. When we draw the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface, it is called map. On a flat means like this plain surface, on a flat surface, when we draw whole earth, okay, world map is there. So when we draw the whole earth on a flat surface, it is called a map. It gives us a bird's eye view of the surface of the earth. As you have seen that birds, they are flying so much high in the sky, na? So they can see down also, okay? So like that type of eye, that type of vision we are having on the surface of earth on this map. A map is not a rough drawing of an area. It is not a rough drawing, means just you can't draw like this and the map is made. No, it is not a rough drawing of an area. It shows the true shape okay, the exact or the true shape and size of an area and is drawn to scale, means it is up to the mark. The map what is drawn on that, it is accurate. This means that the distance between different features shown on the map is of the same proportion as it on land. How much distance we are having on land, the same distance is shown on map also. So maps are useful when it comes to showing a detailed picture of a small area of land surface. On a map, suppose we are having a small area, okay, that small area, it is fully detailed up. In that area, what are the things available, they are also shown. They are easy to carry. Maps are easy to carry. Just what we have to do, we have fold the map and we can carry. Okay, globe on the other hand do not show too many details and it is often cumbersome to carry them around. Globes, they do not show details, okay, they do not show every single particular thing on a globe, and they are cumbersome. Cumbersome means they are long also, they are heavy also, and it is difficult to carry it. Okay, so it is difficult to carry around these globes. So let us understand how maps and globes different. What is the difference between a globe and a map? Map, it is representation of earth or part of earth on a flat surface. Maps are drawn on a flat surface, whereas it is a three-dimensional model of earth. It rotates on its axis. Okay, this globe, it is three-dimensional, having length, breadth and depth also, okay, and it rotates also. This globe, it rotates also, okay. A small area can be shown in details. On a map, a small area, it can be shown in detail, okay, it can be drawn larger also, and it can be shown in detail. It cannot show details. This globe, it cannot show details. The whole earth can be shown at one time, for example through a world map. Okay, for example, we are having this flat surface. So on this flat surface, in a one picture, the whole world can be shown. For example, in a world map, the whole world is shown. And in globe, one can view only half of earth at one time. The part which is in front of our eyes, only that part can be viewed or visible to us at one time on globe. Maps can be easily folded, rolled and taken anywhere. Okay, as I told you that maps we can just fold it and we can have it along with us, whereas globes are difficult to carry around because they are large, they are heavy, and it is difficult to carry them. Okay, I hope students this much is clear to you. So revise this. We will be meeting in a next video. So we will continue this chapter again. Thank you.